We'll guide you through how to use Claude for Windows. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude AI website. There, you'll find the option to download Claude for Windows. Click on the download button and wait for the installation file to be fully downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click on it to start the installation process. A setup wizard will appear, guiding you through the installation steps. Follow the on-screen instructions, making sure to agree to the terms and conditions and choosing the installation directory that suits your needs. After the installation is complete, you can find the Claude application in your Start menu or on your desktop if you've chosen to create a shortcut. Open the Claude application by double-clicking on its icon. You might be prompted to log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. If you need to create an account, make sure you have a valid email address handy and follow the account creation instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by Claude's main interface. Here, you can start a new project by selecting the New Project button at the top of the screen. You'll then have options to choose from templates or start from scratch, depending on what you're looking to create. Claude is designed to be intuitive, so feel free to explore the various features and tools available. You can customize your workspace by dragging and dropping elements, adding text, images, or any other media you need. If you ever need help, there's a help section within the app, or you can visit their support page online. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.